If you want to know how to crop video on ClipChamp, you've come to the right place. So firstly, I'm going to import some media inside of the project to show you all the process step by step. So the first thing we need to do is just simply add our video on timeline, and what if we need to crop it a little? So basically we have a solution. We can interact with the corners of this video. We can change the duration. So just simply click and then just move it to the necessary position. As you can see here, the duration of the video changes and now it looks like this. So for example, if you want to place it somewhere here, all the necessary end part will be automatically cut out. So the same thing we can do with our beginning. So at the beginning of the video, we can also do the same. But what if we need to crop out the inside part? We have the solution to do this. We need to use the split instrument, which is called right up split, like this icon here. The shortcut is S. So we're going to click on S. As you can see, our video will be automatically split into two different videos. And we need to do the same with the next part here. So now we need to choose the central video and then just click on delete to delete the unnecessary part. So after that, we need to move this one inside right up here. And after that, everything is ready. And as you can see, we still have the solution to change the duration through the corners right up here. But don't forget to fill this gap inside of two videos. So we need to place it right up here because we don't have like a magnet instrument inside. So this is a way of how can we crop videos on ClipChamp. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Wish you a very good day. Goodbye.